welcome to P Tutorials. In today's video I want to show you how you can get a free domain with proof. So if you have your browser, just grab it on your system, but you can also do this on your mobile. Open your browser and then let's go to type the website where you can get this. So you follow my instructions according to the video. So just type .com.domain and click enter, or just go visit it. Then you arrive in YouTube, Google. When you arrive in Google, you will see Godaddy.com, so you have to click Godaddy.com.
Oh yeah.
Click Godaddy.com. You can see we have already arrived at Godaddy. We are in Godaddy right now. All you need to do is just pick a domain. Like if you're having a company and you want to create a domain for this company, just type the name, the company name.com. I'm going to type mine. You can see. I'll give you an example. Just watch. All right. Okay. .com. Then search. I'm going to search it. Okay, let's see the result. And this very thing that is happening right now, you might have choose a domain, or you might choose a domain that you like to use for your company, but it might be unfortunate that someone already picked it, or some company already picked it. So you have to find another domain for yourself, or find, in addition, add something else to it, maybe another name, so that's going to be your choice. So it's not something that you're gonna like be panic. There are always options. The main important thing about this is very cheap. So cheap. This is just 81 cents. All right, thank you guys. Subscribe and share, like.